Hi, I'm Sherry. I want to welcome you to my studio today. This started as a piece that I had just cleaned my palette knives off onto, and then I came in and forgot to record. I came in with art crayons and just scribbled in a vase and some other color. And now I'm going to put my first layer of cold wax. And once again, I have made more paint than I needed. Not much. Okay, I'm going to come back in and lift a bit of the paint. It's already drying a little bit. So I have the ceiling fan going today. Put some more swirlies in. There were a lot of swirlies in the art crayon I laid down. This will all be underneath the flowers, hopefully showing through. I love that you can see all the colors through this Hansa yellow. It's a transparent paint, if I recall. As you've probably noticed, I use clay tools. Getting down here all the way to the initial layers where I wiped my palette knife off from other works. Do a little bit of pan pastel here. And I took a photo of a vase and I actually put it on blue paper with yellow paper behind it to see how the water line changed. So, gonna work on that now. So I'm back with this vase, and I'm very happy with the water, the lighting, the shadowing. I am going to attempt to do some flowers here. Obviously, very, very abstract flowers. Using the smallest palette knife I have. I don't want to completely cover up everything underneath. And I don't want to do the, 5-petal kind of flowers. I want these very, very loose. Love the depth of color you get when you layer with these, because they're more transparent when you have them mixed with the cold wax. Have to have some coming over the front of the vase. So I want these to be varying in thickness and in color. And I'm just doing the C kind of flower where you go this way and then that way and then this way and then that way, and you get kind of a rosy kind of shape. I'm going to try adding a little bit of dark permanent violet for some shadow in there. Sometimes you just have to use your favorite tool, the one that you know how to work. Trying to draw these stems the way they refract in the light. I took a picture of some fake flowers here so I could get the refraction down, so we'll see. The one other thing I want to do is put some highlights on the gold with my pan pastels. These 6 came in a kit, metallic kit, and then this beautiful, what color is that? Pearlescent red I bought separately. And I'm going to use the old trusty best weapon, good grief, best tool in the toolbox. This should highlight a lot of the texture. Maybe a little bit on some of these flowers. Ooh, pretty. All right, let's see. Can you see the glistening there in the camera? There, maybe that shows it. I think I'm going to call it done for sure, but you never know when I might look at it again and think, need something else. Thanks for watching my video. Please leave any questions or comments you might have, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you'll subscribe.